Good morning, students and viewers. We are going to share the topic related to senior inter fourth chapter economics agriculture sector 2 marks concepts. The first 2 marks concept is food security. Food security is such a security which enables the people to have all time enough food for an active and a healthy life. That. And second concept, cropping pattern. Cropping pattern means what? Cropping pattern is defined as the pattern of utilization of total farmland for producing different crops in a country at a particular point of time. So cropping pattern depends on physical factors and economical factors and social factors. Third is sprinkler irrigation. The sprinkler or overhead irrigation system, water is piped to one or more central locations within field and distributed overhead. High pressure sprinklers are the guns. Next, fourth important concept is organic farming. It is a farming which uses natural fertilizers and pesticides. Organic farming is knowledge based rather than input based agriculture. It is a concept of living in synergism with nature. And fifth concept is land reforms. Land reforms introduced for economic and non-economic changes relating to the land in order to achieve social justice and agriculture development. Any reform of land undertaken by the government for the agriculture development are called land reforms. Sixth concept, Jamindari system. The Lord Cornwallis introduced this system in Bengal 1793. According to this system, Jamindars were responsible for the payment of land revenue to the government on permanent settlement or on a temporary settlement act. And seventh concept, Raitu Bajar. The government of Andhra Pradesh has introduced the concept of Raitu Bajar system on 26 January 1999. In this market, the farmers will sell their farm products directly to consumers without the interference of middlemen. So through these markets, producers get a remunerative prices. Eighth question, Ogmark. The graded goods are stamped with the seal of Agriculture Marketing Department is Ogmark. As a result, the Ogmark goods have wider market and better prices. Ogmark is simply an abbreviation for the agriculture marketing, which is the symbol of quality to produce. And ninth concept, marketable surplus. Marketable surplus is the available surplus for marketing after meeting all the requirements of the farmer. They keep a part of their produce for purpose of wages and consumption and seeds. And 10th concept, cooperative farming. Cooperative farming means where the total land of a village pooled into one unit and farmed together. After harvesting, the returns will be distributed among the farmers in proportion of their land. This is also called as joint farming. Achieving high produce and productivity in farm sector by implementing hybrid seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, missions, and also by inducing farmers is called Green Revolution. It is introduced in 1965 as a new agriculture strategy. Occupancy tenants. Occupancy tenants are called permanent tenants because the rights of the occupancy tenants as permanent. These tenants enjoy security of tenure. No landlord can abolish them until they pay the rent. Next, Kisan Credit Card. Kisan Credit Card scheme was introduced in 1998-1999 with a view to facilitate short-term timely credit to farmers. Regional rural banks and cooperative banks, which are to be financed by NABARD, are implementing this scheme in India. And number 14th, objectives of land reforms. In 1951, the Planning Commission of India has introduced the objectives of land reforms. Removal of the impediments that arise in the agrarian system structure inherited from the past. To eliminate all sorts of exploitation and social injustice with the agrarian system. Number third objective is to provide security for the tiller of the soil and give equal status and opportunities to all sections of rural population. And 15th concept, agro-based industries. Industries which depends on agriculture products for the raw material are called agro-based industries. Like cotton textile, jute, sugar, flour mills, edible oil directly depends upon agriculture for raw material. Some other industries like handloom, weaving, rice hucking, food processing, oil crushing, horticulture also depend on agriculture. And 16th concept, consolidation of land holdings. So consolidation of land holding is a proper solution to the problems of scattered holdings. By consolidation, we mean all the holdings of the village are pooled together into one big holding. Later, each farmer will be given land equal to his share in the total land as a single unit. This process is known as consolidation of the land holdings. And microfinance. The main aim of this program is to bring banking services to the doorsteps of the poor. Under this program, bank credit is extended to the poor through a self-help groups, a microcredit, attempts to combine lower transaction cost and high degree of repayments. Next, 18th concept, processing. All the agriculture products are assembled and graded cannot be used directly. Hence, those products should be made useful for consumption. For example, paddy, pulses, oil seeds cannot be used directly for consumption. Hence, those goods required process for the consumption. And these are the main important concepts relating to the agriculture sector. Thank you.